My name is Muhammad Farhan, and today I will give a lecture on introduction of physics. That what is physics and what we really study in physics. This is just for class 9 students. So, physics is the branch of science in which we study matter and energy and the relationship between matter and energy, and all those laws can be studied in this branch, which can explain the relationship between matter and energy. In our universe, all the things are present in a material form. So how these material objects is related with the energy can be studied in physics. Like everything in the universe has a goal for his study. So what is the goal of physics? Why we study physics? The goal of physics is to form a single law, single universal law, with the help of which we can explain the whole universe. It is the goal of physics. Therefore, all scientists are working on this to make a single law with the help of which we can explain the whole universe. For this purpose, they can study matter and energy, and they form a different law from these relationship. So in physics, we study all the material from a very minute object, electron, proton, neutron, to a very heavenly object like galaxies, black bodies, space, planets, stars. So the convenient and precise study of all these things are impossible in a single book. So for convenient study we can divide the physics into certain branches. The first branch is mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics in which we study the motion of a body under the influence of force. Mean in this branch we study that how force held the body in motion and what is the relationship between force and motion. All these can be studied in mechanics. The second branch is heat and thermodynamics. Heat and thermodynamics is that branch of physics in which we study that how heat energy is converted into other form of energy. Like when we put a fuel in a car, so after starting the car, that fuel is converted, that fuel mean chemical energy is converted into heat energy, and later that heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. So how this heat energy is converted into mechanical energy and what is going beyond these conversion, all of these can be studied in heat and thermodynamics. The third branch is optics. In optics, we study the nature of light, that whether it is a wave nature or particle nature, and the properties of light, that how light reflect, how light refract, how light propagate, and how light transmit from one point to other point. All of these features of light can be studied in optics. The fourth branch is electricity and magnetism. In electricity and magnetism, we can study just a charge, both in static as well as in moving. And all those property which is developed due to statics are motion form of charge. Another branch is atomic physics. In atomic physics, we study the structure and property of individual atom. Means a single atom can be studied in atomic physics and the structure and property can be studied. Nuclear physics. Nuclear physics is that branch of physics in which we study a certain property and structure of a nuclei of an atom. Another branch is particle physics. In particle physics, we can study the properties of elementary particle. So, what is elementary particle? Elementary particle is the electron, proton, neutron. So, what is the properties of these electron, proton, neutron? All of these property can be studied in particle physics. So it is enough for today. On your request, I will give you another lecture. So please like my this lecture, and on your request, I will upload more videos on your demand. So bye bye, tata.